Hello everyone. First off, let me show you quickly the trades taken using this Magic IB system last week. So the first trade was on the 18th, pound USD from 20-minute chart and 130 pip from here to here. The next trade was on the same day on 18th, EUR-USD, again same kind of setup, and 125 pip here. On the 18th, pound Aussie from 7-minute chart for 90 pip to the upside. All of these using the same system and the rules, definitely. On the 19th, there was no setup, no trade. A couple of them, but it was like 20, 25 pip close. So I don't even want to show it to them. Show it to those. Those trades, right? Only the big one. So now on the 20th, the pound Aussie, this is a big mover and always moves big, right? Daily range is more than 150 a day. So 125 pip, easy peasy. On the 20th, pound CAD, this is also a big mover. This is a 7-minute chart entry and trade for 80 pip on the 20th. And on the 20th, again, pound NUSD as well. All these pound pairs went up because of the pound strength. And this is for 110 pip. You can see the buy order, SL move to break even plus all of that, right? And this is the setup. Here on the 20, again, on the 20th, this Aussie, Euro-Aussie from 7-minute chart, same kind of pattern, same kind of setup for 70 pip to the upside. And here on the 21st, because of the Euro weakness, I was able to pull these trades, Euro-USD 20-minute chart, short setup here, short sell. You see the sell order, break, SL, move to break even plus. And on the 21st, Euro Yen, it was 425 pip. I closed on Friday, but this was basically the entry was way before that on the 18th, actually. Okay. So Tuesday. So, and then the last but not the least, Euro Aussie as well. It went down, making a nice short setup here and for 50 pips. So these are the trades using Magic IB system, and of course on the back of these is my analysis also works, right? So now I want to show you guys, or give you guys some of those setup for the next week based on the US dollar index. Okay. So the US dollar index, to me, this is what it is doing. I made the chart on the 20th, August 20th, that we supposed to go up, but it went down again a little bit and then start to go up again. So this is, I made the chart yesterday on Saturday, right? So this is how we close on Friday. And I still think that we are probably going to go up from here. Okay, retracement is due. So I could be wrong, but if I am right, what will happen? If this thing, US dollar index goes up, this will happen. These four pairs will go down, and or at least will have a chance to go down because USD on the right hand side of these pairs, and these three pairs USD is on the left hand side, that they will go up. When the index goes up, USD gets strong, and these pairs will go up. USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc, they'll go up. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD will have a chance to go down. So let's see if we have the setups in these pairs. I'm going to just show you a couple of them, and the rest you can find based on my information very easily. Like first chart is this. Well, actually, this is again same USD on 40-minute chart, which I made on the 21st, right? After this happens, on the basically from here, right, on the 20th, and then I made this chart here on the 21st on Friday, that okay, this is kind of like a harmonic pattern calculation, and this is what I think that is going to happen. So usually when anything bounces from this 23% line, it's very powerful. So it was bouncing from here, so I made the chart here that is going to make a girdle here, but it's not going to play out. It will break the girdle, in fact fail the girdle and continue going to the upside, and it will turn into a crab pattern at 1.618. These patterns have a specific calculation, right? So so now this is what happened so far. Okay, from here we bounce and then we went up so far, and that's why I had some trades already, like Euro USD short, because of this USD getting strong now. So let's see when the market opens up on Monday or Sunday, actually, right? Today, later on. So if we can continue, go to the upside. Now, based on that, if it continue go to the upside, what will happen? First chart, pound USD weekly chart. Okay, so this is I made yesterday, based on the same USD weekly chart, that it's probably going to bounce from here, and these are the things that will happen. And one of them is pound USD going down. This is a nice weekly TL you can see, and the last candle we made is a beautiful shooting star kind of pattern, candlestick, right? And it's a very good reversal pattern, reversal candle, and it is at the TL. So very, very strong chance that it will drop. And I will be using my 20-minute, IB system to make an entry. Or maybe 7-minute or 20-minute, any one of them, doesn't matter. But 20 minutes are more reliable. 7-minute need more expertise, I mean. Now, so Aussie USD here, same on based on same chart. This is a beautiful setup here. TL, hit, and you see these wicks up there, so that it is a strong sign then that we're going to be dropping here. So not only that we have a TL there, but we have this 61% retracement here, exactly, right? Plus these are the couple of numbers that are in question now, and if we are going to go down, we have to be staying below these numbers, 71.48 and 71.60 at the most. Look for your short setup below these numbers, whatever the strategy or system or whatever you're using. But yeah, the setup, the entry has to be below these numbers. So as a USD, it's a very good chance to go down as well. EUR-USD, you can see based on the USD index, again, nice monthly chart, nice TL hit and stop. Not only that, but these are the numbers. The number that stopped the upside move is this, 1876. And off of this, I had my trade last week. If I can go back and show you, see right there, 1876. It broke below, went up, tested it, and boom, dropped. Sell order here, moved to break even. So this is how it happened, right? So again, and if it stays below 1876 and USD start getting strong, USD is on the right hand side, and we will go down. And this is what it is cooking. So this is how you apply different studies, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, blah blah blah. So this is one of those harmonic pattern, butterfly pattern. It is underway right now. It's cooking here. This is XABC exactly at 23% line. I forgot to put the fib here. Okay, so if you pull the fib from here to here, you will see that this is 75%, and then this is 23%. After that, usually it comes all the way down here for D, and then the butterfly pattern will be complete. Okay, this is my way. This is my creative way of trading from C to D. Okay, not the conventional way. The conventional way, once you have the pattern finished, then you trade to the upside. I will be trading to the downside because this is a long way to the downside. There's a lot of pivots to make, so why waste, right? Once you understand it, once you learn and understand it, it'd be a piece of cake to bank all these pips, easy. So if we can stay below 1876 and the TL, we're gonna be going down here, okay? And this is it's a pretty long distance, right? So it's a lot of pivots to make. So and what else? So these are the three that I'm just giving you. But and to be honest with you, you have almost like USD making the same kind of short setup, beautiful. USD CAD is making a very nice weekly setup, a long setup. Okay, so you can, and pound franc is bouncing from the support. If you go take a look at the your weekly chart, you'll find them, right? And basically, I'm going to be using this strategy. Okay, this is the trade that I took, right? EUR-USD, and then it's going to make another entry right here, right? This is a low here, so it's going into here, into the wave. This indicates all the way up. So when the market opens up, I might get this setup here and then go down again, and we are expecting that. So this is the strategy that I use, and to pull all those pivots and the trades that I just showed you last week, right? So this is it for now, and yeah, pay attention to this USDX US dollar index and those patterns, and you're gonna make a lot of pips out of those setups. All you need is maybe 2 or 3 good setups, and you're done for the week. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.